out there in VW Life Land. What are we going to do today, Jake Garrison?
We're going on a cruise.
We're doing a cruise.
I believe Axel, big fan of the channel. He's always been around. It's his birthday.
Yeah, I think he's turning 16 maybe.
He is turning 16.
Ooh, maybe his old man. I gave him a Volkswagen.
Maybe. But we did Mark's video recently. Mark, you know, guy always dresses up, always goes, and Axel's been there with him this whole time.
Yeah.
And so we're going to celebrate their birthday, going on a little cruise around Austin.
Volkswagen cruise around Austin Day. Should be fun. See some highlights, get some Volkswagens out. I'm looking forward to it.
Oh, yeah. We got Willie Boy.
We do have Willie Boy. Are you ready, Willie? Let's go! Axel, you're 15 or 16?
15.
Damn, I thought you were 16. Your old man's getting ready to give you the Mexican people.
Yeah. I'm not going to be running just a NASCAR.
Yeah. Air hug.
Birthday.
Thanks.
It's 6:20.
How does it feel to be 15?
Pretty good. I'm gonna be able to actually start driving. I'll be able to get my license next year, but I can get my permit this year. So.
Happy birthday, son. Here's your big expensive gift. 51?
Wait a minute.
Yeah, that's a good year. There you go. 15 maybe.
What is the weight?
I should have brought, oh, yeah, that's right. I have all the extra parts in there.
Well, first let's see if it's getting fire. So see, we're gonna see. We should see something jumping right there.
I guess that.
Nothing. Okay, yeah, there's nothing.
So we found a broken wire.
Yeah, so that's what it was. It was kind of coiled up on there, but that's it.
I did. Because it hit against, man, like.
We have one of these in
All right, hey, it's on the apron.
okay, in the
Do you like what you're seeing? And messing with Volkswagens on the side of the road before you go on a cruise with your friends? Why don't you like, comment, subscribe? Tell us about your favorite issues you've had on the side of the road before a cruise. Or tell us about the time you got your bus back for the first time in a month or two and it has issues, because that's how they all are, man. It sucks, but it's VW life.
It's VW Life right there.
I'm just happy to see pudding rolling, man. Happy birthday to you, Axel. Happy birthday to you.
Pick up a VW Life shirt. Hit our link below, Teespring. The cruise is going well. We've got 3 people on CBs and we only broke up once. So it's been a fun time out here. People are waving. It's been a great time.
All right, VW Lifers, and we happen to be in a very famous spot. Right now we're here for Axel's birthday, but this is also the start of the world famous June Bug Rally. Coming to you the Saturday before Father's Day. We'll put a link right here. Check it out. I love a stinger in the morning. freaking Matt Jackson.
I've got jerky. Busy at work. I don't know. How do you have bubbles in your car?
Oh yes, click the link below to get your mercantile. Your VW Life mercantile. I don't know, it's funny when the old man says it. Missed a generation. And our state's capital.
did it. We survived, and now we celebrate with veggie burgers and fries and iced tea.
Veggie. Veggie and burger should not be used in the same sentence.
You just
And woohoo!
You're the man, baby.
All All right, thanks for watching, everybody.
Yes, thank you guys for joining us today for the Axel birthday Volkswagen Cruise of Austin, man. What a great time, huh, Matt Jackson?
It was great. Fun was had by all.
I'm so glad you have your mask on finally.
Safety first.
Shocker. Hey, thank you guys very much. Make sure you subscribe, tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody about VW Life. We're so glad you guys joined us. We'll see you soon.